Oh my god, you look beautiful.
Yeah, you look really nice.
I'm really nervous right now.
I know, me
There's
too.
a lot of people, so you look cute.
You look handsome.
I like that dress. I don't know if I can kiss you.
Can
I kiss you or no?
Yes.
You and I have accomplished a lot for our age. I never thought I would be here with you on this day as well. I want you to also know that I'll be always taking care of our family, no matter in the low or in the high, as we know. Even when we're down, I have shown you that we will go back up and everything will be okay. I promise to always make you smile. I'm so happy for the person you become on movie. And I want you to enjoy this day and don't worry about the little things and keep going. It's our day. I love you and I will always love you.
You have truly made me into a better person, and for that I'm forever grateful. And I'm excited for what the future holds and for all the moments and memories we will have together. Thank you for being my best friend and for giving me your heart. I promise I will always take care of it. You are a good soul, and I hope you know that. I'm excited that I decided to invest my life with you. I will love and adore you always, Miguel.
For now begins the spring of your love, where the flowers will bloom all around you. And on this day that you marry the one that you love, over the time you've shared together and now grown together, you also realize that today you marry a best friend and a partner for life. I love you not for who you are, but for who I am when I'm with you. I love you not for what you're making of yourself, but what you're making now of me. I love you for the part of me that only you can bring out, and for putting your hand into my heaped up heart and passing over all the foolish and insignificant things you cannot help them be seen there, but now bring it into the light, all the beautiful belongings that no one has ever looked quite far enough to find. I love you because you make out the lumber of my life, not a tavern, but a temple. Out of the works of my day, not a reproach, but a song. You have done more than any fate could have done to make me happy, and more than any creed could have done to make me good. And yet, you have done all this without a touch, without a word, without a sign. You've done it by being yourself, just who you are.
I, Miguel,
Take you, Karla,
take you, Karla,
to be my lawful wedded wife.
to be my lawful wife.
I promise to love you,
I promise to love you. I promise to keep myself
truly and solely for you,
truly and solely for you
for all the days of my life.
for all the days in my life.
I promise to love you,
Honor you and keep you,
honor you and keep you,
through sickness and in health,
through sickness and in health,
for richer and for poorer,
for richer and for poor,
for better and for worse.
for better and for worse.
I promise to keep myself,
I promise to keep myself
truly and solely for you,
truly and solely for you
for all the days of my life.
for all the days of my life.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, it is truly my privilege and honor to present to you for the very first time, Mr. and Mrs. Thalatta.
I want to thank you first for all being here together with Karla and Miguel. Family keeps growing. I'm very blessed, as you can see. I don't have too many words but to thank the Lord that we're here together tonight. And I just wish them very good health, happiness, prosperity, and to pass this love that we gave you guys to your family. Okay? So God bless all of you and have a fun time. Thank you.